Did you know your Windows PC has hidden commands that can make your life easier? From encrypting your private files to automating tasks and even unlocking secret settings. These simple commands can save time, boost security, and give you ultimate control without installing any extra software. So let's get started. Want to lock your files like a pro without installing any software? Windows has a secret command that can encrypt your data and make it completely unreadable to anyone else. So first, open command prompt as administrator. Without admin rights, this won't work. Now to encrypt a folder, type this command. Cyper space /e space c colon / secure folder. Replace C / secure folder with the folder you want to protect. Hit enter and Windows encrypts all the files inside. Windows uses EFS encrypting file system, meaning even if someone copies this folder to another PC, they won't be able to open it. Only your Windows user account can access it. If you need to unlock your files, then just type cyper space /d space e colon / USB backup and press enter. This removes the encryption, making your files fully accessible again. Protect your private files, whether it's documents or photos. This command keeps intruders out. Ever wanted to put your PC into deep sleep mode without shutting down your apps? These hidden commands instantly hibernates your PC, saving all your open work while consuming almost zero power. Just simply type the following command. Run dll32.exe space powerproof.dll, set suspend state space 0, 1, 0 and hit enter. Your PC will instantly enter deep sleep mode. Just press your power button and your PC will restore everything exactly as you left it. Saves power while keeping apps open, perfect for pausing work on laptops. If hibernation doesn't work, enable it by running power cfg space / hibernate space on and press enter. Now you can pause your work anytime and resume instantly. Tired of forgetting to turn off your PC? This simple command will automatically shut it down at a specific time every day, saving power and preventing overheating. So just simply type this command. sch task space / create space / sc space daily space / tn space shutdown space / tr space shutdown space -s space -t space 0 space / st. After that, now you can type your preferred time here, space and type your preferred time and press enter. As you can see, I have already said this. That's why it shows. Do you want to replace it? Type Y and press enter. This is the time you set for your PC to shut down automatically every day. In case if you want to change the time, then rerun the command with a different time. Or if you want to remove the task, use this command. sch task space / delete space / tn space shutdown space / f and hit enter. Now your PC will turn off automatically at a specific time every day. No more worrying about leaving it on. Want full control over Windows settings in one place? This trick enables God Mode, a special folder that gives you instant access to 200 plus system settings without searching through menus. Just type the following command. mkdir space c colon / God Mode dot start curly braces ed7ba470 -8054 -465b -8256 -99712043E01C close curly braces and hit enter. This will create a new folder named God Mode in the C drive. Go to C drive. Find the God Mode folder and open it. Inside, you will see every Windows settings neatly organized in one place. With God Mode, you have every Windows settings at your fingertips. No more searching, just full control in one place. Need your Windows product key for activation or reinstallation? This quick method helps you retrieve it without third-party software. As usual, open command prompt as administrator. Just simply type this command. WMIC space path space software licensing service space get space OA3X original product key and press enter. Your genuine Windows product key will be displayed on the screen. Retrieve your Windows product key easily without extra software, perfect for reinstallation or activation. With this trick, you will never lose your Windows product key again. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tricks and fixes. And let me know which command you found the most useful in the comments. Thank you. Thanks for watching.